Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about the yen index chart that I made yesterday earlier in the morning. So this is yen index 20-minute chart showing the direction. I said if we can stay above 68.24, the trend is to the upside. We finished the retracement here and we can go to the upside. If yen index continue to go to the upside, yen will get weaker and this will happen. What? All yen pairs will go up with the index, right? So what really happened to this chart? Let's go take a look. So far we have done from here to here, right? Now yen is very powerful. When yen moves a little bit, pair moves a lot. So this little move have made the pairs move big time. So not big time, but it's like around 100 pip average. So what really happened? Let's go take a look if they really went up, right? One by one. So first we're gonna take a look at the USD yen. This is this yellow line representing the starting of today. So from here to here, let's say from this to this, 100 pip, 108 pip. Pound yen, from here to here, it went up 145 pip. Euro yen, even from here, it went up 120 pip. Aussie yen, well, Aussie is also weak, so it didn't go much. It went up to 68 pip. CAD yen, from here to here, 85 pip. Franc yen, from here to here, big time, 165 pip. New yen, from here to New is also very weak, so it didn't go much. It's 70 pip. So you see, 7 of these pairs, they all went up. Why? Because yen index went up. Right? So this is the power of the index. If you watch the index, you get some really, really good, amazing trades. Very easy. I was planning ahead of time. I posted this. Let me show it to you. I posted this on the, what do you call it, the Forex Factory. Where the heck is that? It's behind this thing here. How can I move this? Okay, hold on. This, let me see here. Okay, see this, my thread here, and I'll show you the chart that I posted here. Same chart. Yes, here, see that? This is a chart I posted here saying that this will take all yen pair to the upside. I also posted this on the Telegram right here. See that? My Telegram for my paid subscribers. This is where it is. The chart, this all yen pair will go up. Now, I was watching only 3 yen pairs on this computer. I was doing one-on-one, several of them, so I was very tired. I didn't set up the charts. I forgot. So on this one, with the alarm on, I had only 3 trades, 3 pairs. I was watching USD yen, Euro yen, and Pound yen. And what happened? One of them gave me the setup. The other 2 didn't. The one gave me the setup was this, Pound yen. And this is today, 105 pip. You see the yellow line is just turning above the adjacent black line. So that cross over and then higher low, and this indicates all the way down, and blue candles. I was a little late. It should be here, right? But like I said, the alarm beeped and I was doing something else. By the time I came and it was here, I said, okay, I'll take it anyway. So yeah, sometimes that happens. So buy order here, 105 pip, even on just one setup. And the other setup, let me show you what happened. So this was the trade, Pound yen from this broker, right? And Euro yen went up, look, boom, straight. Yellow line never went above black and never gave me the setup. Right? Similarly, USD yen, straight up, no setup. But maybe you can see that if this drop here, so it will be a setup for tonight. Then I will take that and then go for more to the upside. Similarly here, this thing is going to drop here, just like this one happens. See, it drops and then it goes up and then make the setup. Drop and then it goes up here, touch the yellow line and give me a short setup. Exactly the same way. This thing is going to drop here in between yellow and black, and that would be my setup with this indicator all the way down, turning to the upside. I will get in tonight, not now. This is not the time. The trading time is over. Asian session, no. If there is no news, no trade whatsoever. Let it go. London session, Frankfurt opened 2 o'clock in the morning, and that's where the volume comes in again. And that's where I'm going to start looking for my setups. And hopefully this time tonight, I will set up all the other charts, all the yen, franc yen, not franc yen, but New Zealand, CAD yen, all of that as well. And whatever the setup that I get, I will take the trades because it's more to come. This is not done yet. This, whoops, where'd it go? This one probably gonna go a lot more to the upside, somewhere there. Okay, if you look at the weekly chart, it is breaking the highest high here already. And then all we gotta do is break the high of this candle here, which is 68.84. If we take out that, we go into the upside, 68.84. Let's draw this line here, 68.84, 68.94. Okay, turn into 84. Now, we are at that, exactly, right? So if you go above this, we go into the upside more. Yen is going to get more weaker, and all yen pairs will go up again. But today, right now, 5 o'clock p.m., this is the time for retracement. So all these yen pairs will retrace, right? Like retrace on my chart. See, this one need to come down here. USD yen need to come down here. Pound yen to come down here in this area and make a long setup. Then I'll take them in the London session whenever it's appropriate. All right. So this is how the use of index. You can make big, huge trades based on the index. Similarly, USD index is also in question right now. I'm watching it, but it's messing around right now around 1247. And I think I have it somewhere here. You see this line here? This is the key number here. If we start to go above this, then we will go to the upside and USD will get strong. If we can stay below, then USD gonna drop. I am expecting a drop. So let's see what happens. So far, 20 minutes is bullish, but you never know, right? So it is below 1247 right now. Very, very critical number. And I'm watching it, but today is gone. So tonight, maybe this thing will move. And if this thing move, then definitely all USD pairs will move. 4 will go one side, 3 will go the other side. All right. And who knows? We might get lucky and get 3 or 4 trades out of these USD pairs tonight, and 3 or 4 maybe yen pairs, right? So whatever the trade I'm gonna take, I will show you. But yeah, this is how it is work. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn about the system, get it, learn it, and trade like this, then you can go to my website here, creativetradingsystems.com. The address is almost on man, what the heck, on every chart, right? I have creativetradingsystems.com. That's my address for the website. And here you can come and then you check the services, whatever, one-on-one. If you need to learn from A to Z, you can check here pricing, monthly, 6-month, 12-month, lifetime membership, or you go for one-on-one coaching, 10-hour coaching over the Zoom. You learn from A to Z completely, become master of not only this system, but for the whole business, for whole trading business. You can trade, like for example here, let's say indices, like I have made the charts like this one. I'm just gonna drop, it did. S&P 500, this is NASDAQ. Where the heck this NASDAQ? Wait a minute, weekly chart, man. S&P 500, 40, and here, German DAX, S&P 500 weekly, right here, NASDAQ, right here, it dropped here, as I said, US 30, it also dropped here, right? So it may go up, may not, but this is how it is, and this is it, basically. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the name of my YouTube channel is My Forex Magic Wave. But some people are using my name of My Forex Magic Wave, my YouTube channel name, and my picture, and running some couple of fake Telegram channels. Okay, and ripping people off. So be careful. I do not have any Telegram channel under the name of My Forex Magic Wave. The only channel I have, Telegram channel I have, is under the name of my website. All the charts you can see, every single chart has that name, Creative Trading System. That's the only Telegram channel I have. Other you will find with even my picture, that's not me. Those channels does not belong to me under the name of, I found two already. My Forex Magic Wave with my picture, and then another one is My Forex Magic Wave 12. I found the guy, he is in Nigeria. I found the IP address. I have a hacker on him, and he found it that his IP address, it's from Nigeria. So I'm trying to find him, pinpoint exactly. Then I'll take care of him, or whoever it is, or maybe multiple people. I don't know, but yeah. So be aware of this, imposter, and stay away from it. All right, my channel, my trading Telegram channel is only for paid subscribers anyway. So whoever sign up, and then I have to add that person into my Telegram with the help of username. I ask username, you give me the username, I'll add you in. Otherwise, nobody can get in there in my Telegram channel. Those the other channels, again, I'm repeating, My Forex Magic Wave, they are fake. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.